Headlines: Modi hails Boro Accord as victory of peace, announces rupees 1500 crore development package. Minister Karam Sham inaugurates Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. And Jurebam wants double cropping to increase productivity. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipuri English News. I'm MANDIRA, and now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, addressing his first public rally in Assam since the amendment of the Citizenship Act, today said that signing of the Boro Accord for the Northeast and described it as a new chapter added in peace, as per a media report. The central government on January 27 signed an accord with the banned Assam-based insurgent group National Democratic Front of Bodoland, providing political and economic bonanza to the tribals, since the outfit's key demand of a separate Bodoland state or union territory. A tripartite agreement was signed in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal, and 4 factions of the NDFP. Addressing people in Kokrajhar, a prominent Bodo territory, PM Modi said it is the time to welcome new dawn and reject violence. He further said the Bodo agreement is a victory of peace and non-violence, and added that everyone is a winner. The Prime Minister said that the centre, Assam government and people associated with the Bodo movement have signed an accord that fulfills all demands, and added that development is our main concern hereon. Under the accord, rupees 1500 crore will be given as a special developmental package to help the Boros, the PM said, and added, every right, culture, language and development will be ensured. The protection will be ensured. He further said the government is trying to implement Clause 6 of the Assam Accord and assured the people of the state that after the committee submits its report, the centre will swiftly act on it. PM Modi is in Assam to participate in an event to celebrate the signing of the Boro Peace Deal, an accord between the centre and the banned militant group National Democratic Front of Bodoland last month.
2014 तक यहाँ केवल एक वाटरवे था, एक पानी से भरी हुई 365 दिन बहने वाली नदियां, कोई देखने वाला नहीं था। अब यहां 1 दर्जन से ज्यादा वाटरवे पे काम हो रहा है। पूर्वोत्तर के यूथ को एजुकेशन, स्किल और स्पोर्ट्स के नए संस्थानों से मजबूत करने पर भी ध्यान दिया गया है। इसके अलावा नॉर्थ ईस्ट के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए दिल्ली और बेंगलुरु में नए हॉस्टल्स बनाने का भी काम हुआ है।
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham today inaugurated Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited at Rims Road, Imphal. Chairman of Lamjingba Group, Jackie Sanasam, Board of Directors of Lamjingba Group, Byron Mutum, Rakesh and Hirojit were present at the occasion. The newly opened hospital will be the first Internet of Things based hospital in the region. Other features include latest modular operation theatre and patient application for health record. The newly opened hospital will also has facilities of CT scan, ultrasound, ECG, ICU, isolation room, OT room, labor room, dialysis, VIP room, etc. Speaking at the occasion, Minister Karam Sham said that hospitals in Manipur have no shortage of doctors, but they have technology issue. He expressed hope that the Lamjingba Hospital will be great boon to the system in the state. He also urged the public to appreciate and encourage someone's good deeds.
Aduna ngasi Lamjingba Group ki Shumba Hospital aduga Research Institute silabanina mapanda koina satlaga the lying bangamdabagi paisa huge amount expenditure se Lamjingba Group si the lerak padagi expenditure sima sungsoi choidina handagane habagi thajabaduma lay ani chubada people confidence ma ngasi media na sidalai be equipment singsi fazana class tobiraga Manipur Prajagi awaba se karma kaidi solve toruba ngamagani habagi thajaba confidence ma sagat pada soba mai pakpo oigani habagi thajabadu aingonda lejari.
At the event, Lamjingba Group Chairman Jackie Sanasam said that the hospital has been opened to serve humanity and assured that the hospital will try its best to provide the best service to the masses.
Sigi dress idadi akoina khangbana tabnina haitabnina ngasagi akoina atangwo khulai adagi aphaba adagi working environment nam create tawtargasu tawgaduriba thabak singa sina staff singa amadi doctor singa sina dedicate tawdragadi akoina tawningiba asi fulfill tawngam moidabnina haidi mayamgi support changi amadi thawai yawba puksen sengba amadi kathokpagi kaino adu aidi tohoningi habasi masu ai thamjage.
People of Jiribam want to start double cropping in the district to increase productivity. Jiribam, one of the important districts of Manipur, has a humid subtropical climate with short winter season and longer rainy season. It is situated 36 meters above the sea level. The district has an average temperature of 25 degrees Celsius with a 2,920 mm rainfall record. Speaking exclusively to TOMTV, General Secretary of Manipur, Lomi Marup Jiribam branch, Chandam Biren Singh said that manure production will be beneficial for the district as most of the locals are farmers. Biren added that oil residue left behind the tractors and heavy machineries in the fields is disturbing productivity. He also urged the concerned authority to look into the issue concerning lack of proper irrigation system in the Jiribam paddy fields. Biren said that farmers in the district are unable to improve crop yields owing to lack of proper facilities. He lamented that there is inadequate staff at the agriculture office in the district and urged for allocation of adequate strength of officers for the welfare of the farmers. Time for a short commercial break. Coming up next. Curtain raiser event for National Deworming Day held at Directorate of Family Welfare Services in Far. More after the break.
This new year 2020, Lamjingba Group is coming up with a new project for the people called Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute will be at your service from 7 February 2020. Our vision is to be the leading hospital in the region transforming healthcare. And our mission is to deliver quality, patient-centric healthcare at an affordable price.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topper puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject of tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupamarol gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai Mahubum Lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back. A curtain raiser event for the upcoming National Deworming Day was held today at the Conference Hall of Directorate of Family Welfare Services in Far. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar attended the event, which was jointly organized by Health and Family Welfare Department and State Health Society National Health Mission. Target has been set to administer deworming tablets to around 10,57,000 children on National Deworming Day on February 10. Later on 17th of February, a mop-up program will be conducted as part of the deworming. Minister L. Jayantakumar underlined on the need to keep mothers and children healthy for a better society. The Health Minister added, every government focuses on maintaining good health among the children, for which a large amount of money has been sanctioned by the government. He further informed that the government has set a target of turning all primary health centers into health and wellness centers. He asserted that with advancement, new types of ailments come up, Regarding the coronavirus outbreak, Jayant Kumar clarified that the Ayush medicine does not cure the disease, but it helps in keeping the body immune system strong, and said that the public should not get panicky over the coronavirus outbreak. Condemning Thobal police for failing to find the men involved in the brutal knife attack and alleged rape attempt on Thingujam Ongbi Samola at Charangpat under Thobal police station on 3rd of February by a masked man. The Joint Action Committee formed against the incident today staged a sit-in protest at Charangpat, Mamanglekai. Talking to media, JAC member KH Manglembi, who took part in the protest, said that failure of the police to find any clue on the whereabouts of the accused till now is unfortunate. She urged Chief Minister N. Biren to take action to book the culprit. She further appealed to the CM to open a police outpost in the area to avoid such incidents in future.
Police side Shillong the Thari, Gawati the Thari, Mine and Mitarani, Changani, Adu Sangani, Hadana, statement, Piraka, comment, Piraka Labaza, Jessiki, Maika the Queen White, Masikum Baze, Manipulangaki, Maika the Atumat and the Miang Changbio.
Ringai, the traditional festival of Kabui community, was kicked off today at Kabui villages in Imphal. The two-day festival started with Kabui traditional rituals. Talking to TOMTV, Kunpu of Kakulong Kabui, Mangonzao Maringmai said that Ringai marks the protection of the villages by the youth from the clutches of enemy. Aimol Ngairong Baptist Church celebrated its Golden Jubilee at the church ground of Aimol Ngairong village under Tengnoupal district today. The celebration was held on the theme From Darkness to Light. The event was kicked off by unfurling the Jubilee flag by the chief of Aimol Ngairong village, Executive Secretary of ABA Reverend Sami Sarto, pastor of 1 EME Center Church Reverend S. Renkholal, and pastor of ABA Reverend Lieutenant Rutorkup attended the function. A souvenir was also released during the program. Chairman of the celebration committee, Alan Songailian, wished that may the golden celebration bring joy, peace and harmony among the people of Manipur.
Manipur se amatane haidan hingin na ba mayam pum namak na khanba usunu isor na su intha tapthana pibiraga chingmi tambi tammi amata oir na hingin na ba isor na thoyani ba usunu.
Manipuri University urged for an end to the current stalemate between Phegokta and government over implementation of the 7th UGC pay. In this regard, a press meet was held at the DM College of Science today. Leaders of the college students' unions for four major colleges urged all concerned to bring a positive solution to the issue at the earliest.
Lakadariva 6th semester examination BSc gi Megi tang Mari dagi Haugadori Maramasina Hosik Foba class Haudriba Asina Satrada Aki Mama Mayok Nahale Maramasina strike Jangsaliva Ozasing Amadi Paliva Lengakna Atu Matamda Yasanaba Poroktuna Mahiro Singbu class to Unba Panganbu Natravadi DMUgi Makadaleva student Mayam DM Science Student Union DM Art Student Union DM Commerce Student Union Amadi GP Women College Student Union Punna Punsilaga Khongjang Changminargani.
Locals of Manipuri held a sit-in protest against the incident wherein two armed masked miscreants robbed a mobile phone shop at Manipuri Bazaar on the outskirts of Imphal on the evening of February 5th. All mobile phones and over Rs 2 lakh cash was robbed from Royal Accessories. The robbers also fired 2 rounds in the air to threaten the female employees of the shop, but no one was injured. Abhinay Shahu, 28, son of Sunil Sahu, Manipuri Devi land, owns the mobile shop. According to information, 2 masked men entered the shop at around 5:30 p.m. and looted phones and money by pointing a gun at Abhinay Shahu. The armed men fired shots when Abhinay tried to follow them, but he escaped the shooting unhurt. So far, no arrests have been made in connection with the incident.
Aduga mayamsi yaningdawa masi siguma thodokse yakhoisu yam yaningde yam nungajade akhoi siguma se dukanda laaga gunpoint da laaga loot toraga mayam se changjalaga pochai mobile atang atang mobile ka pugi bani asidagi mayam tanaba kan asida mata akhoi gun na firing su torami masi akhoi yam yaning de adugi ngasi ka sit and protest हो जबनी
सब लोग पढ़े लिखे हैं सब लोग कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं यहाँ हम ऐसे आदमी को चाहे ऐसे लोगों को नहीं देख पा रहे हैं जो घर में बैठे बिना कमाए रोजी रोटी कर रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं है सभी काम कर रहे हैं सभी अपने काम में व्यस्त हैं और सब लोग जो है अपने रोजी रोटी कमाने में मैं आपसे कह करके बुला लेता हूँ धन्यवाद
Time for another short break. Stay tuned.
Open the Knowledge Homeboarding cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details please contact the Knowledge Homeboarding cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba tawjari ambulance service asina miyam da pizari ba service sing di yum dagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yum da puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thang nariba state sing da anaba sing puba amadi lawba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingbani masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak sep tawshin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobi.
Welcome back. Manipur Finance Service today opened 4 branches in Thoubal and Kakching districts under Pankhangba Management Services Private Limited, Singjamai Chingamathak. The 4 branches were opened at Wangjing and Thoubal of Thoubal district, of Kakching and Wabagai of Kakching district. Managing Director of Pankhangba Management Services, W. Anand Meitei, Councillor of Wangjing, Lamding Municipal Council, Ward number 5, Naringbam Binoy, Councillor of Ward number 6, Hekrujam Gorangu, CEO of Pakhangba Management Services, KB Ingaremba Meitei, and other dignitaries attended the inaugural function.
Halaman Lekagi Sinau Honorable Chairperson Singh Mayam Nasu Mating Pambiduna Hena Hodega Hena Hariba Branches Sibu Hena Sakapa Fava Pina Binabagi Damakta Equinasu Hajeri.
A 5-day-long training program on Entrepreneur Support Scheme Manipur Startup Round 2 Batch 1 concluded today at the premises of Institute of Cooperative Management ICM, Lamphilphat, Imphal. The training program was organized by ICM, Imphal under the sponsorship of Planning Department. Former Director of ICM, Dr. N. Ranjana, MSME DI Imphal Assistant Director Th Nandakishore, ICM Imphal Director K. Joy Chandra, ICM Program Coordinator K.H. Rangamlian and Planning Department Research Officer Dr. R.K. Tombisana attended the closing day as Presidium members. Certificates were distributed to 45 entrepreneurs who took part in the training. At the event, Th Nandakishore advised every entrepreneur in the state to strictly follow all rules and regulations laid down in different schemes offered by government to enjoy all benefits of these schemes.
Isana thabak pija bagi scheme ji changjal adi ekoi hai bank to time tom da DSA diagnosis study report na niyom chum sembi gadamni Dora registration haina 2006 MSME 1 lakh kanda EM1 EM2 filing to passing chair to Dora registration haina 2015 gi Narendra Modi sarkar na September 18 na launch to kibani adana ministry na registration tauba adumba registration pochi to ne koi na hoji central pirakadoi se.
Taranjit Singh Sandhu, Indian ambassador to the United States, presented his credentials to President Donald Trump yesterday. In the brief meeting that followed, President Trump welcomed Sandhu, a veteran of India-US ties with experience of dealing with the relationship spanning decades, to Washington, D.C. and wished him success. President Trump was very positive about Indo-US relations in the run-up to his visit to India. President Trump's visit is expected to be anywhere between 23rd and 27th February, with an event in Ahmedabad. There has, however, not been any confirmation of the dates yet. In a statement, the Indian embassy said President Trump had fondly recalled during his conversation with Taranjit Singh Sandhu his friendship with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and their several interactions. Sandhu spoke about PM Modi's vision and guidance that had helped move relations between the two countries towards greater strategic convergence. Now the sports news. The third sports meet cum Th Feb Food Mela of Bread for the World Project Villages of People's Endeavour for Social Change has kicked off today at Kaimai village under Tausem subdivision in Tamenglong district. Uchathol Jiribam Chief Medical Officer Dr. Florence Dangmai opened the event in the presence of founder editor, Juri News Network Romeo Morangthim, and coordinator RNBA Akhui Kamai and villagers of Kaimai, Nungkhao, Oinamlong and Sibilong. Athletic events, volleyball matches and dance competition will be the main attraction of the sports meet cum fair is being held on the theme Prepare for Better Tomorrow. Talking at the opening ceremony as chief guest, CMO Dr. Florence Dangmai wished PESCH for successful conduct of the event. Natalie Skeever smashed a strokeful 50 as England beat India by 4 wickets in the fourth T20 of the Women's Triangular Series in Melbourne today. Sent in to bat opener Smriti Mandhana top scored with a 40-ball 45 as India struggled to 123 for 6. England then returned to overhaul the target, scoring 124 for 6 with 7 balls to spare. Skeever scored 50 of 38 balls with the help of 6 fours and a 6. For England, Anya Shrubsole took 3 out of 31, took 3 wickets, and Catherine Brunt 2 out of 23 scalped 2 to derail India's innings after they were sent in to bat at junction over. Rajeshwari Gaikwad 3 out of 23 took 3 wickets, while Radha Yadav 1 out of 24 scalped 1 for India. Now before we wrap up, the top news headlines once again. Modi hails Boro Code as victory of peace, announces Rs 1,500 crore development package. Minister K. Shyam inaugurates Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. And Jiribam wants double cropping to increase productivity. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.